Breaking news. 3 San Juan police officers have been stabbed this evening. It all happened on 495 in Raul Longoria tonight. That's where our Jorge Vela joins us live with the details on what happened, plus the condition of the police officers. Jorge, break it down for us, please.
Here in San Juan, police are still out investigating after the incident. And as you can see behind me right now, a street is even still closed off as the police are conducting their investigation. However, all 3 police officers involved are in stable condition. San Juan Police Chief Leandro Cifuentes even got emotional talking about the incident. Cifuentes says the officers responded to a family violence call around 7 p.m. tonight. The 3 officers who responded were the ones attacked. Although the suspect has not been identified, Cifuentes does say he is an 18-year-old man who was threatening his mother. He was detained about a quarter-mile away from the house.
He was at large for about an hour with the assistance of local agencies and Del County Sheriff's Office, DPS, and other agencies, Alamo PD, FAR PD, Edinburgh PD. Everybody that arrived all the way from Mission PD arrived here to assist us. We were able to locate the suspect. Texas DPS and 1 police department, everybody that you see here arrived to that scene, to that location. They were able to find Mr. Ayala hiding and took him into custody. At this point, that's basically what I have, unless you guys have any questions.
Good afternoon. Your name, sir? Mr. Ayala, I'm Judge Roberto Garza, sitting here as Municipal Court Judge for the City of San Juan, County of Hidalgo, State of Texas. Before me, magistrate. Before me, magistrate, on this 4th day of December 2024, appeared Enrique Martin Ayala, and said person was given the following warning by me. You've got 6 charges.
Permission to speak.
Afterwards, I'll answer whatever question you've got. Okay, let's get through this, and then whatever you need to know, I'll ask. First charge is assault. That's a Class C misdemeanor. It's a fine-only offense. You're being charged with criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony. Second charge of criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony. Third charge of criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony. Aggravated robbery, first-degree felony, and resisting arrest, Class A misdemeanor. An affidavit charging you with these offenses has been filed in this court. Do you understand your charges?
Affidavit, what does that mean?
Basically, it's just a statement of facts, okay? I'm going to go ahead and read you your rights. You have the right to hire an attorney and have him or her present to advise you before and during any interview or questioning by police officers or attorneys representing the state. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. Any statement you make may be as evidence in court or at time of your trial. You have the right to stop any interview or questioning at any time. And if you cannot afford an attorney, you have the right to request one be appointed to. And since you have the felony charges, you also have the right to an examining trial.
How many?
You have 4 felony charges. Yes. Do you understand your rights?
I understand.
Do you have an attorney, sir?
No.
Are you going to hire one? Or you want a court-appointed attorney?
Appointed.
All right. Very good.
Got a little bit.
Okay, Mr. Ayala, for the Class C assault, it's a fine-only offense, but I do need a plea from you. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
No contest, all right.
You know what?
I
want an attorney for it. I don't even know what you're talking about.
Guilty, not guilty, or no contest of the assault?
No contest.
No contest, all right. It's a Class C misdemeanor. It's a $433 fine. Window as quickly as you can. For aggravated robbery, first-degree felony, it's going to be a $250,000 cash surety bond. Criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony, $1 million cash surety bond. Criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony, $1 million cash surety bond. Also, the third criminal attempt capital murder of a police officer, first-degree felony, $1 million cash surety bond. And resisting arrest, Class A misdemeanor, $5,000 cash surety bond, total of $3,255,000 cash surety. Okay.
Got it.
You put the sign. I don't know what you want to sign.
What am I signing?
All you're signing is that we read your rights, we read your charges, and that you understand everything that was read to you.
Why so much press? Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Why so much press?
That was their prerogative. They chose to be here for this arraignment
Why?
because they chose to.
They can. I didn't even know that was a thing. And then after this, we like go to court and everything, right?
Right now, you're going to be transported to the county jail. At that point, you can make contact with an attorney or bondsman to see if they can bond you out. If you can't be bonded out, then you're going to be retained in jail until the day of your formal arraignment.
Okay, so these are my charges pending, and then
Correct.
I'm just signing that I understand my rights and everything.
Correct.
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the fucking show. Let's get the fuck out.
Get out of here.
Wait, did you do it? Did you stab those three cops?
Ma'am, no question.
A court hearing is underway for a defendant accused of murder. All of a sudden, a man from the gallery jumps over the divider wall and attacks the defendant who's standing at the podium. Another man appears to join in and sprints towards the defendant. All of this unfolding in an Albuquerque, New Mexico courtroom. An altercation ensues, though most of it's out of frame on the courtroom security cameras. A corrections officer and the dad of the murder suspect were also injured. Deputies say the alleged assaulters were relatives of the victim in the case. The homicide defendant, Alexander Ortiz, is accused of killing his ex-girlfriend, Aliana Farfan, in January 2024. He pleaded not guilty. According to the criminal complaint, the victim's uncle, Carlos Lucero, told deputies, "He killed my niece like a coward, and it was worth every moment." 3 people were taken to the hospital, including the 2 suspects in the courtroom.
I'll be home soon, R.I.P. Keon. I love my family.
That's all you got to say. You know, I have never in 23 years approximately ever not accepted a sentence agreement between the parties because it's bargained for, sentenced by the parties. But watching you sit there, smile and laugh and shake your head like this was no big deal, I'm very tempted to just say, I'm not going to accept this sentence agreement. We'll go to trial. And if you're convicted of felony murder, you'll go to prison for the rest of your life. That means you'll die there. That's what I'm tempted to do. Mr. Bella, do you want me to accept this sentence agreement?
Your Honor, may we approach prison?
Yes.